Okay guys, just in the bowl here I've got some chicken strips. I actually bought these from my local butcher like that. Saves me cutting them up, doesn't really matter. Now I've got about a tablespoon of light soy sauce going in there. And I've got about a tablespoon of cornstarch in there. Now I'm going to give this a thorough mix. Mix it all up. I did put some garlic as well, that was off camera. Okay, I've mixed it all up as you can see. I'm going to set it aside, let it marinate for at least 20 minutes and we'll start frying. Okay guys, just another bowl, I've put some corn flour in there. Now I'm using roughly about 200 grams of chicken for this recipe. I forgot to mention that earlier. Now yeah, make sure you mix the chicken thoroughly in the corn flour, and when you go to deep fry, make sure you shake off the excess flour. Okay guys, now I've sped this up. Now just make sure you, like I said, shake off all the excess flour. Now I'm shallow frying this, not deep frying, and we want to crisp these right up so when we add it to the veggies and the sauce. My chicken's done, as you can see, nice and crispy, nice colour. Now it's time for the veggies. Okay my friends, while the veggies are cooking and caramelizing as what you want, I'm going to get started on now with the simple sauce for this. Okay guys, I'm going to use light soy sauce, a premium brand there, some oyster sauce, and this ingredient here, absolutely unreal, Stubbs barbecue spicy sauce. Okay guys, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce goes in there. Got 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce goes in, and the good old Stubbs barbecue sauce, we've also got a tablespoon. Now I did add some seasoning to this, salt and pepper. Now the chicken's gone in. Now I just want you to hear the ear candy here. Eye candy, ear candy, good old sizzle. And there you have it my friends. Simple, quick and simple stir fry to make. The sauce is nice and tangy. Now I did add a little bit of water to the sauce, just to water it down a bit. The jasmine rice already done there. Absolutely delicious. The bell pepper and the onion caramelized. Spring onion there for a bit of presentation. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.